से लास्ट में सब हाँ इसके बाद रेडी रहें हम थोड़े से फिलर बोलेंगे फिर आप रेडी रहिए
Lord, save King Duncan. Save thee. Where do you come from, Lord? From the east, the battlefield, great king, where the discarded traitor, the Lord of Cawdor, began to disperse conflict, till great Macbeth. Well, he deserves that name. Confronted him into control. Lord, victory to us. Great happiness. Namo shall the Lord of Cawdor deceive us. Go pronounce his present death, and with his former title, Great Macbeth. What he has lost, noble Macbeth has won. तीसरी कहाँ है?
A drum, Macbeth has come.
So foul and fair, a day I have not seen.
What are these so violent and so withered in their diet? These do not look like inhabitants of the earth.
Speak if you can. What are you?
All hail, Macbeth! Hail to thee, Lord of Glamis! All hail, Macbeth! Hail to thee, Lord of Cawdor! All hail, Macbeth! Who shall be the king hereafter?
What predictions are these? These creatures are jabbering the lot.
If you can predict future, speak to me. Predict my future as well.
Hail! 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 Lesser than Macbeth and greater! Not so happy, yet much happier! Your son shall crown the king after Macbeth, even though you won't be one.
Hail, Thane of Cawdor. I, the offspring, suffer success. The king is impressed by the expedition in the battlefield and has awarded you with the title, the Lord of Cawdor. Why do you dress me in borrowed robes? How can I be the Lord of Cawdor? The Lord of Cawdor lives, and King Duncan has sons, potential heirs to the throne. This can't be true.
Hail, Macbeth! Hail to the king of Cawdor!
Can it be true? Oftentimes, instruments of the darkness lulls us with the false sense of security and hide from us the deepest, darkest consequences.
I received your letter, Great Glamis, and the worthy Thane of Cawdor. I'm glad to hear about your success, but you're meant for greater. Just as the witches prophesied, you shall become the king. There is no way you can ascend the throne with Duncan and Malcolm in your way.
My dearest love, King Duncan comes here tonight.
Look like the innocent flower, but be the serpent underneath. I hope you got me.
How can I commit such a crime? King Duncan is double trustworthy. I'm his loyal and trusted kinsman and his faithful subject. We will have to proceed no further with this plan. Aren't you afraid? What if we fail?
We fail? Those words don't go together. In our case, muster courage. What can't you and I perform on that unguarded Duncan? And after you'll commit the murder, we'll blame it on his drunken gods.
Why can't you take his life then?
My lord, I'm a fine lady. You know it's abhorrent to my gender. I only wish and plan this for your benefit.
साइड से वो कहाँ है ना
can't even hold the sword. There you go.
तालियां बर्बाद हैं। बच्चों से कहना माइक ना खराब हो, नहीं तो आपका ड्रामा खराब होगा। नहीं सर, माइक अच्छी तरह चलेगा।
I have done the deed. I have done it. Did you hear the knife? Did you?
And you brought the dagger from there? When did you get the dagger from the place? It must lie there. Take it back and make sure you smear the gods with blood.
Please, please, I'll go no more with this plan. I'm already afraid to think what I have done.
I'll do it then.
Oh Lord of great Neptune's ocean, wash this blood clean from my hands.
A little water clears up this deed.
Treason! Awake, Banku! Awake, our loyal masters murdered!
In our house? Oh my lord! Oh heavens!
I repent my fury of killing the gods who took the life of my beloved king. On hearing the news of their father's death, the king's sons have chosen to leave the Scotland. Now only the Macbeth is worthy enough to be the king. Shit.
I still have the smell of blood on my hands. All this perfume of Arabia couldn't make my little hands smell better. Am I troubled by the vengeful ghost of the innocent? Am I losing my sanity? My heart is deeply burdened by the guilt caused by the unearthly act.
इधर दिलवा रहे थे।
What on earth have I done?
बस साहब,
I have taken the lives of many innocents, including my right hand, Banco. What must I do now? Should I take the lives of Duncan's sons? Or will they hand me over to the hungry lions before I could do anything? Going against God and neighbor alike. There is no place for me on earth,
यहाँ पे 200
nor in heaven
और गैस को दे देंगे।
or hell.
यहीं पे बस।
It was my greed. It changed me into something I'm not. Someone I'm not.
उधर रखने हैं, उधर।
Can I be forgiven? Can I?
Things have gone wrong with Macbeth! Yeah! Should we, babe? We were only uttering the truth. Excuse us if we forget to mention
नाम लिख के लाएं।
pretty details. Yeah, weak-minded Macbeth. You couldn't be aware of the consequences.